Hello students, I'm Dr. Aisha Siddiqa, Assistant Professor of Chemistry from Government First Grade College, Tumkur. In the Tumkur University syllabus for the first year BSc students, in this session we are going to learn about what is quantum mechanics. So after going through this video, you will be able to understand what is the need for a new approach towards the atomic structure, and also you will get to know what is the meaning of quantum mechanics. We already have seen in the previous videos the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle and its significance, de Broglie's hypothesis, and limitations of Bohr's theory. Limitations of Bohr's theory led to the de Broglie's hypothesis, wherein he imagined that the matter has got both particle as well as matter wave character, and because of this dual nature it led to the uncertainty principle, and it has got quite a significance for small objects like electrons, etc. Now let us understand what is quantum mechanics. This was put forward by Erwin Schrödinger in the year 1926, and this is based on wave motion associated with the particles. If you define what is quantum mechanics, it is a branch of science which takes into consideration the dual nature of matter, and it was proposed by de Broglie, and it also takes into consideration Planck's quantum theory, which explains the concepts related to small particles like electron, proton, etc. Schrödinger gave a wave equation which is also known as Schrödinger's wave equation. It is the heart of this quantum mechanics. When we start solving this particular wave equation, we start getting solutions to various issues related to the atom. And this is based upon the idea of an electron as standing wave around the nucleus. Please remember, this is based on the idea of electron as a standing wave around the nucleus. Now let us understand the meaning of standing wave. We all have seen musical instruments such as guitar, veena, etc., wherein the strings have been fixed into positions like this. If you imagine veena or guitar, we have what? The strings which have been fixed there. Whenever you pluck the string for playing the instrument, the string will vibrate in the shape of a standing wave. It will vibrate like this. Now let us go through this. I'm going to open this hyperlink. You will understand the idea, or you'll get to know the idea of what is a standing wave is. Now you can imagine these two positions are fixed, and the position of this wave is going on changing. This is a standing wave. So it is giving rise to something called a standing wave. I hope you have got visualized. You can see that the amplitudes are changing. Everything is changing here. Okay, now let's get back to the PowerPoint presentation. So the whole idea of quantum mechanics is based on standing waves. What happens here is, in case of Bohr's atom, we imagine the positively charged nucleus and the electron which is going around it in circular orbits. And those circular orbits are considered to be something like a standing wave. So we don't imagine it is to be in a circle, but we have circular waves wherein the electrons are formed. Okay, so now let us come to this one. Quantum mechanics, it deals only with small or microscopic particles, and it takes into account de Broglie's concept of dual nature of matter and Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. It also takes into consideration Planck's quantum theory and calculation of probability of finding the electron at various points in an atom, okay, which was a main problem in classical theory. That is also taken into consideration while proposing the quantum mechanics. Now you can have some questions like define quantum mechanics, write a note on quantum mechanics, or give examples of standing waves on this particular topic. These are the references. Thank you.